Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day and welcome back to yet another video. Now the reason you clicked on this particular video is because you are confused and you need help in deciding which AirPods should you buy. Don't worry, in today's video I will tell you all that you need to know before you decide which AirPods is going to be your next AirPods. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first let's take a look at the AirPods first generation. Now the first generation AirPods comes with the H1 chip. It has more than 24 hours of listening time and 18 hours of talking time. On a single charge, you will get 5 hours listening time and a talking time of 1 to 3 hours. You have the Hey Siri function, which is available on the first gen AirPods. You do not have noise cancellation or adaptive EQ. The base price of the first gen AirPods is $14,200. The mode of charging for this model is via the lightning cable, so you do not get wireless charging. The wireless charging case will cost you $18,900. Now let's take a look at the AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro also comes with the H1 chip. It is sweat and water resistant IPX4. It gives you more than 24 hours of listening time and 18 hours of talk time. One single charge will give you about 4.5 hours of listening time and from 1 to 3 hours of talk time. The Hey Siri function is available. You do get noise cancellation on this model. You have adaptive EQ as well. You have a transparency mode. The price for this model is $24,400. You can charge your AirPods Pro either via lightning cable or you have the option for wireless charging as well. Yes, the AirPods Pro provides you with wireless charging. So you do not have to pay any particular extra price for a wireless charging case for your AirPods Pro. If you have a wireless charger lying around, place your AirPods Pro case on it and it will charge for you. Now just for a quick comparison of the AirPods Pro and the AirPods first gen, this is what the AirPods Pro looks like. This is what the AirPods first gen looks like. Now when you buy an expensive product such as this one, you want to put a nice cover on it so that it would stay protected. I use the Spigen case for my AirPods Pro. For the AirPods first gen, I have a third party case. I will put the links in the description so you can check them out. It's a little bit tough to get the case on, but once it's on, it sits flush with the AirPods case and it prevents it from any such scratches as well. The case for the first gen AirPods sits very easily in, as you can see. That's it. And now your AirPods are protected. So now coming to the deciding factor. The price for the first gen AirPods without the wireless charging case will cost you $14,200. Whereas if you want to buy the AirPods first gen with the wireless charging case, then you would have to pay $18,900. The AirPods Pro, on the other hand, costs you around $24,400. The difference between the base model of your AirPods first gen and the AirPods Pro is roughly around $10,200, whereas the difference between the wireless charging case on the AirPods first gen and the AirPods Pro is around $5,500. The difference between the first gen AirPods and the AirPods Pro is you do not get noise cancellation on the AirPods first gen, whereas you get noise cancellation on the AirPods Pro. You do not have adaptive EQ on the first gen, whereas you have adaptive EQ on the AirPods Pro. You have a transparency mode on the AirPods Pro, which is not available on the AirPods first gen. The AirPods Pro is sweat and water resistant to IPX4, whereas the AirPods first gen has no such ratings. So it all boils down to what is your requirement. If you really want noise cancellation on your AirPods, then go for the AirPods Pro. If that does not bother you so much, you can go for the AirPods first gen. If you do not care for the wireless charging, you can go for the AirPods first gen without wireless charging case, and that will cost you $14,200. Now I've been using the AirPods Pro for a while for a lot of online conferences and calls, and I must say that the noise cancellation feature does really help And if I need to hear some of my surroundings, then I can just quickly switch from noise cancellation to transparency mode, and I can hear what's happening around me as well as what's happening on my AirPods. So that's a quick tip to remember. Hope this video has helped you out in making your decision, and hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.